Hello, bookworms and financial wizards. Welcome back to Investing Lighthouse, the perfect pit stop for everyone from budding investors to Wall Street wizards. Today, we're diving deep into a special list of books handpicked by the Sage of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. As you may already be aware, Warren is known to devour books, like a hungry investor snaps up undervalued stocks, typically spending an astounding 5 to 6 hours each day feeding his mind. He has shared his must-reads over the years through his shareholders' letters and at Berkshire Hathaway's annual meetings. Now, we're sharing his wisdom with you, exploring 10 books he recommends every investor should read. Strap in, folks, because we're about to embark on an intellectual odyssey through the mind of one of the world's most successful investors. First on the list is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Dubbed as the greatest investment advisor of the 20th century, Graham's book is an investing Bible for many. Buffett has called it the best book about investing ever written. It focuses on the principle of value investing, a strategy that advocates buying stocks at a price below their intrinsic value. This isn't about quick wins or gambling on the market, but instead, taking a long-term view. Graham imparts invaluable lessons on managing risk, portfolio policy, and market behavior. One of the book's fundamental principles is the margin of safety, investing in stocks significantly below their calculated valuation. This creates a buffer for investors, protecting them from both poor decisions and downturns in the market. Graham also introduces the allegorical Mr. Market, a manic-depressive business partner whose mood swings represent market fluctuations. Investors, Graham argues, should be patient and take advantage of Mr. Market's mood swings to buy low and sell high. For a deep dive into the heart of this classic, check out our dedicated video by clicking the link at the end of this one or in the video description. Next up is Dream Big by Christian Correa. This book charts the inspiring journey of 3 Brazilian entrepreneurs who transformed a small investment into one of the largest conglomerates in the world. Buffett, who invested $11 billion in their company, praised the book for its profound insight into their exceptional business acumen, dedication, and audacious dreams. He says it's a testament to the power of big dreams, smart investing, and hard work. The key takeaway? Even the grandest financial feats are achievable with the right mindset and unwavering tenacity. Up next, we have Where Are the Customers' Yachts by Fred Schwed. Now, the title itself is pretty amusing. It originates from a story about a visitor to New York who, admiring the bankers' and brokers' yachts, naively asks where the customers' yachts are, highlighting the irony that those who provide financial advice often fare better than their clients. This book takes a witty, critical look at Wall Street and the often self-serving nature of the finance industry. Schwed, with humor and cynicism, dispels illusions about the can't-lose investing mindset. It's a timeless reminder to investors about the importance of having realistic expectations and avoiding overly complicated investment strategies. As per Buffett, it's a book that not only leaves you laughing, but also imparts timeless wisdom about the nature of Wall Street. The Outsiders by William Thorndike Jr. is a buffet of financial wisdom. Thorndike chronicles the exploits of 8 unconventional CEOs, including Warren Buffett himself, and other titans like Tom Murphy of Capital Cities Broadcasting and John Malone of TCI. These outsider CEOs, as Thorndike calls them, implemented contrarian strategies that delivered exceptional results for their shareholders. what is their shared secret? To prioritize an efficient use of capital rather than chasing growth. This book gives you a unique perspective on the distinct approaches taken by these successful CEOs. Buffett applauds the book for its exploration of effective capital allocation. He says it's an outstanding book about CEOs who excelled at capital allocation. Each story is a masterclass in strategic thinking and leadership, making this book an essential read for aspiring leaders or investors. We move on to The Clash of the Cultures: Investment versus Speculation by John Bogle, the founder of Vanguard Group. This book advocates for long-term, low-cost investing over speculative trading. It serves as a wake-up call, reminding us of the financial sector's transformation from serving investors to profiting at their expense. Buffett, an advocate for low-cost index funds, loves the book's no-nonsense advice, a reality check for every investor to remember what investing truly means. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher introduces us to a thorough approach to evaluating stocks beyond financial statements. A pioneer in growth investing, Fisher shares his wisdom about long-term investing and the keys to picking outperforming stocks. He lays out 15 criteria for selecting great investments, touching on aspects like the integrity of a company's management, the effectiveness of its research and development efforts, and its operational and profit margins. For Fisher, it wasn't just about the numbers, but also about understanding a company's management and competitive advantages. Fisher's investment philosophy: buy great companies at reasonable prices and hold them for a long time. Fisher's scuttlebutt approach of digging deep into a company's operations has heavily influenced Buffett's investment strategy. Are you interested in learning more? Check out our in-depth dedicated video by clicking on the link at the end of this video or in the video description. Up next is The Most Important Thing: Uncommon Sense for the Thoughtful Investor by Howard Marks. This book delves into the philosophy of value investing and risk management and offers insightful advice on thinking differently about investment risk and opportunity. Buffett praises the book and once said, "When I see memos from Howard Marks in my mail, they're the first thing I open and read. I always learn something." According to Buffett, Marks successfully articulates the wisdom and insight that every serious investor needs. The key takeaway? Understanding and managing risk is the foundation of successful investing. Another John Bogle classic, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, makes the list. It's a manifesto for the tried and tested strategy of purchasing and holding low-cost index funds for long-term gains. Buffett comments the book, saying it's the guide to the winning investment strategy. This book aligns perfectly with Buffett's investment philosophy. Simplicity wins in the game of investing. Essays in Persuasion by the legendary economist John Maynard Keynes is a collection of articles and letters written during the economic crises of the 20th century. The book offers a window into economic history and the shaping of economic policies. Buffett recommends this book as he admires Keynes' ability to communicate complicated financial topics in clear, accessible language, underscoring the importance of being a well-informed investor. Keynes' insights are a reminder that, in the financial world, history tends to repeat itself. Much like a boomerang returning to its thrower, Keynes encourages us to learn from the past to navigate the future. As we grapple with economic ups and downs in our own era, this book serves as a mirror, reflecting lessons from economic history. It's like the ghost of Christmas past visiting Scrooge. Only here, It's the ghost of economic past giving us a wake-up call. Lastly, Business Adventures: 12 Classic Tales from the World of Wall Street by John Brooks presents 12 engaging and insightful case studies from corporate America. Buffett recommended this book to Bill Gates as the best business book he'd ever read. It offers an exciting exploration of American history's intricate relationship between corporations and finance. And there you have it, folks. 10 fantastic books that have shaped the investment wisdom of Warren Buffett. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, there's a wealth of knowledge in these pages, waiting to be unlocked and open up new horizons in your investment journey. Let us know in the comments which book you'd like us to do an in-depth summary video about. And if you're as thrilled as we were about this intellectual treasure trove, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications. Until next time, keep those pages turning and those portfolios growing.